Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad SE. In this video we'll check if this tab has SD card slot. In order to check it, first we have to check if this tab has SIM card tray. As you can see, this tab does have SIM card tray. Now we have to eject it. So let me do it right now. And as you can see, this tab does have SD card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.